is that time again. It is Sunday, STEM Day. And Mae Mae, are you excited? While we were setting up, like you guys should have saw her running around. She knows it was her time. So kind of continuing from last week. Last week, remember, we made the colorful rain. So this week, we're going to experiment in making hard and soft water and figuring out what the difference is. So for this experiment, you will need some bottled water. The reason why we're using bottled water, Mae Mae, is because we don't want to taint our experiment. So it's already known that in some houses they have hard water, in some houses they have soft water. So we're going with the bottled water. So once again, it doesn't taint our results. You're going to need some Epsom salt, which you can get from the dollar store, Walgreens, wherever. And you'll need 2 empty bottles because we're going to shake some things up. You're going to need some dish soap. And, of course, you're going to need your utensils for measuring. So, oh, you excited, huh? So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to pour our water. Because as we're making our hard and our soft water, what we're going to do in each individual bottle, we're going to have 2 cups of water. So this is why we have this here. So, you like that? Oh, I wish you could help me pour. All right, so Mae Mae, look where it says 2 cups at. She like, I'm more so concerned with the water. She probably wants to drink some. All right, so we're going to pour 2 cups. All right. So we're right at our 2 cups margin. And then we're going to carefully pour it into our bottle. In one of our bottles, we are going to put some Epsom salt in, 2 teaspoons to be exact. And then in our other bottle, we are going to put some dishwashing liquid in it. So, while we're preparing to do that, go ahead and make your predictions about which one is going to end up being the hard water or the soft water. All right, Mae. So, this is our Epsom salt. The ones that we have are eucalyptus scented, but of course, there's a bunch of different types. Can you smell? You smell, Grandma?
Yes.
All right, so we are going to put in 2 teaspoons. So we have here our Vision Still measuring spoons. It smells good, doesn't it? Eucalyptus is known to be a scent that will help you de-stress as well as open your nasal passages. So we're going to try to carefully, don't lick it because then you're going to make me drop some. Carefully try to put, as we can see, this is not my area of expertise. How about I try doing this? So I'm going to put it in there so less things will fall since it has a little spout. And just like when you're cooking, you want to make sure that you shake it and that is right at the top. So that's 2 teaspoons. Yeah, this is a lot better. And in terms of the temperature of our water, our temperature was room temperature. So you'll notice that the Epsom salt is not directly dissolving, just as it would in hot water. But that is okay. All right, let me shake. Can you get them a loose, Mae? Shake the little bit that's left. Okay. So, all right, and this is what our Epsom salt looks like. All right, now for our next bottle, we're just going to put a few drops of dishwashing liquid. Now, we're going to shake it up. And when we shake it up, that is going to show us which is now the hard water and which is now the soft water. Now, one of these types of water, you will notice that bubbles are going to be able to form. So where we put the dishwashing fluid, Mae Mae, that is where we're going to know that this particular type of water is conducive to soap foaming up. So let's see. I'll do the Epsom salt one first. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. I'm shaking our bottle. Shake, shaking our bottle. All right. And this is what the one with Epsom salt looks like. So you see it's kind of cloudy. All right. Let's shake up our dishwashing liquid. Woo. And we see here all the foam that has taken place. Now, interestingly enough, of course, we generally would want soft water, right? Because it just sounds nice, soft water, right? But soft water is actually not good for us to drink. This one here with the dishwashing liquid is the soft water. Soft water, the only ion or the only type of mineral that it has included in it may be sodium. This is why soft water tastes what, May Mae? Salty. You don't like that. For those of you who don't know, Miss May is very particular about the type of water she drinks, so she don't drink everybody's tap water. All right. And when we take her to the dog park, she never drinks out of the dog fountain. Like, she looks at us like, what do you think this is? I'm better than this. All right. And the hard water, as you can see, is kind of muddled. And the reason being is because the Epsom salt are minerals that's in it. So minerals such as magnesium and calcium are found in hard water. Now, when it rains, so this is our connection to last week. When it rains, what type of water do you think falls from the clouds? May Mae, which one? Choose, which one? Is it that one or that one? Oh, she stayed longer with this one, and she is correct. When rainfall happens, that is soft water. So if you ever stood outside and just wanted to catch a snowflake, or you want to just let the raindrops fall in your mouth, you'll notice that it tastes different from your drinking water. It will be a little bit more salty. So we hope that you have enjoyed. Before we go, let me do this so you can see the difference. If we were to put some dishwashing liquid in the hard water, you're going to notice that it's going to react differently than the soft water. So notice it didn't fizz nearly as much, and if we were to leave it here, it's just going to form a film. So this is the soft water, this is the hard water. All right, and once again, soft water, you see through it. And once again, soft water, you see through it. Look through it, babe. All right, this one, not so much. You can't see anything. All right, so hope you enjoy Sunday STEM Day with the infamous Remy Mae, Grandma Brewer, and myself. Hope you learned something and you had fun. See you next Sunday.